comes in a pouch, nice little cute pouch. Okay, so this is what they look like. Yeah. And they feel padded. They feel padded. One. Okay, so it's looking like I got 2 pair of panties. Cool. This is in an XL. Nice. So these are the underwear. And I'm going to personally test from home to see how they absorb. So I have them like this. Have a bottle of water. I have the new pair of underwear here. These are dry. These haven't been used. We're going to do this again. Okay. Okay, it's absorbing. So I keep making a mess and I keep spilling it, but this one is absorbing. Let's do the butt part, because I just need more room. It definitely feels wet, so I guess if this was blood, it would be, you know, wet. I did, you know, get the counter wet, so of course the bottom would be wet. But at least the butt part where I put it, it's not. It is dry. So that's nice. This purse here is supposed to hold water, so I'm going to fill this up with water, and we're going to see. Okay. Oop. Okay, this thing is full of water. Oh wow, and it's dry. Wait a whole minute. Wait a minute. This review, I'll be back with another review. Okay. So I have some good news and some bad news about this product. The good news is that I really like this product. I think it's awesome.